Welcome to DreamSpace Decor. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics in home design: the best kitchen color trends for 2024. If you're ready to create your dream kitchen, stay tuned as we break down the top colors that are taking center stage this year. From bold new shades to timeless neutrals with a twist, we've got it all. So grab a seat, maybe a notepad, and let's get started. Every year, color trends shift, reflecting new inspirations, lifestyles, and design influences. In 2024, we're seeing a strong focus on creating spaces that are both inviting and intentional. Homeowners are mixing modern vibrancy with grounding hues to build kitchens that are both stylish and comforting. Let's explore the overarching themes. First up, earthy tones. These warm, natural shades bring a sense of calm and harmony to any space, especially the kitchen. In 2024, colors like sage green, terracotta, clay, and sand are making a big comeback. These hues are perfect for those looking to create a grounded, organic vibe. Pair these earthy tones with light wood textures or matte finishes for cabinets and hardware to enhance that natural feel. Now let's talk about blues. Blue is back in a big way, but with a twist. This year we're seeing everything from deep navy to dusty sky blue. Blue is incredibly versatile, pairing well with both warm and cool color schemes, making it ideal for almost any kitchen style. For a balanced look, mix a deep navy with brass accents or light marble countertops. Or if you prefer a lighter, airy vibe, opt for a soft sky blue on the walls paired with sleek white cabinets. Looking to add a bold pop of color? Warm reds and yellows are making a surprise appearance in 2024 kitchen trends. Red might be unexpected, but it can add energy to a space without overpowering if used correctly. Consider using these colors on smaller areas like your island or backsplash to bring in that warmth without overwhelming the room. A little goes a long way. While neutrals are classic, 2024 is all about adding a modern twist. Think greige. A perfect blend of gray and beige and taupe. These subtle shades give the kitchen a contemporary, chic look that pairs effortlessly with natural wood or stone. For those who prefer a minimalist aesthetic, neutrals with depth are a perfect way to add interest without overpowering the kitchen. Dark and moody kitchens are also here to stay in 2024. Charcoal grays, deep greens, and even black are being used to create spaces with high contrast and an upscale feel. These colors are bold yet sophisticated, perfect for a more dramatic, modern look. If you're going dark, consider pairing these rich colors with warm metal accents like brass or copper for an elegant finish. Finally, for 2024, mix and match is the name of the game. Homeowners are combining different colors within the same space, like pairing blue lower cabinets with white uppers or adding an accent color to an island. This playful approach lets you experiment and create a kitchen that's uniquely yours. Thank you for watching our rundown on the best kitchen color trends for 2024. We hope this gave you plenty of inspiration for your dream kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more design tips and trend updates. Until next time, happy designing!